Unveiling the mysteries of Ifa. The significance of Ifa in Yoruba rituals. If you have ever heard of Ifa but aren't quite sure what it is, you are in the right place. So, what is Ifa divination? As its core, Ifa is a system of divination rooted in the Yoruba culture of Nigeria. It's not just about predicting the future. It is a tool for understanding oneself and one's place in the world. Now, let's take a brief look at the history of Ifa. This ancient practice has been around for centuries, passed down through generations. It plays a crucial role in Yoruba spirituality and culture, serving as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. The oracle, often represented by the Ifa priest or priestess, acts as a mediator between humans and the divine, particularly the Orishas, powerful spiritual beings that govern various aspects of life. Now, let's explore how to understand your Ifa reading. When you receive a reading, you will encounter various symbols and signs. These are known as Odu. Each Odu carries its own meanings and insights. Learning to decipher them can unlock valuable messages for personal growth and self-discovery. A key component of Ifa is aligning with your Ifa path and destiny. Every individual has a unique destiny, and Ifa helps illuminate that path, guiding you towards fulfilling your purpose. Let's talk about the practical applications of Ifa divination. Many people turn to Ifa for guidance on life decisions and challenges. Whether you are facing a career change, relationship issues, or personal dilemmas, Ifa can provide clarity and direction. Through Ifa, you can gain a deeper understanding of your strengths, weaknesses, and potentials. This self-awareness is crucial for identifying and overcoming obstacles to your personal growth. Ifa empowers you to navigate life's complexity with greater confidence. In this journey of self-discovery, personal responsibility plays a vital role. Ifa teaches us that we are co-creators of our destiny. By embracing your unique gifts and talents, you can actively shape your life's path. Remember, the power of intention and action is transformative. When you set a clear intentions based on your Ifa readings and take action towards your goals, you will find that the universe aligns in support of your journey. As we wrap up, it is important to recognize that Ifa is not just a one-time experience. It's an ongoing journey of personal growth. Incorporating Ifa into your life can lead to profound insights and a more fulfilling existence. I encourage you to connect with a qualified IFA practitioner who can guide you on this path. Embrace the wisdom of IFA and watch as it enriches your life in countless ways. Thanks for joining me today to explore the significance of IFA in Yoruba rituals. I hope you found this transformation enlightening and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight on spiritual growth and personal development. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the super thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community